Hello everyone. Last class we discussed about the various number systems. Today we are going to see about the conversion of this number system, and of this 6 type of conversion we are studying 2 main conversions today, that is decimal to binary conversion and binary to decimal conversion. So students, our first conversion is conversion of decimal numbers to binary number system. We can see an example here. The decimal number is 12,345. It is written like this of the base 10. So in order to convert a decimal number to binary number, we have to continuously divide the particular decimal number with the base number of 2. We have to divide the particular number by 2. Here we can see the example 12,345 divided by 2, and the quotient is 6,172, and we have 1 as the remainder. We should write the remainder 1 on the right side. Then we have to divide the quotient again. 6,172 divided by 2, remainder is 0. Quotient is now 3,086. Again we have to divide, and the quotient now is 1,543 and remainder is 0. Again now the quotient is 771. We have to divide it by 1, 2, so 385 the quotient, and the remainder is 1 here. Then 385 divided by 2 and 192 will be the quotient, and remainder will be 1. So we have to continue this dividing process with the number 2 until the quotient became 1 or 0, that is the binary number. So we have to continuously divide the quotient until the quotient become 1 or 0. So we have to note the binary, or we have to note the remainders in the right side of the particular calculation also. So we can see the remainder is written on the right side and the other calculation is written on the left side. So for writing the binary number or binary equivalent of the particular decimal number, we have to write the remainder from bottom to top. See here the binary equivalent is 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. It is the binary equivalent of the decimal number 12,345. So we can see the binary number is 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 or the base 2. Binary number is written of the base 2. So in order to, after the calculation, in order to find out the binary number, we have to write the remainder from bottom to top. So hope you have understood the conversion of decimal number to binary number system. You have some more examples in the textbook, so please see the examples and you will get a more clear picture about the decimal to binary conversion. And the next type of conversion is binary to decimal conversion. In the binary number system, the weight of each digit increases by a factor of 2. Thus the first digit from left has a weight of 1, that is 2 raised to 0. The second digit has a weight of 2, that is 2 raised to 1. Third digit has a weight of 4, that is 2 raised to 2. Fourth digit have a base of 8, that is 2 raised to 3, and like that the fifth digit have a weight of 2 raised to 4, sixth digit have a weight of 2 raised to 5, seventh digit have a weight of 2 raised to 6, and the eighth digit have a weight of 2 raised to 7. So you may have studied in mathematics the power system of numbers. So in order to convert binary number to decimal, we have to use this power system. So from the left side, binary number into the concerning power. So it is 2 raised to, here the first digit, so 1 into 2 raised to 0. Second digit is 0 and the position is 2 raised to 1. So 0 into 2 raised to 1. Third one 0 into 2 raised to 2. Third digit. Next one 1 into 2 raised to 3. Next one 1 into 2 raised to 4. Next digit is 0, 0 into 2 raised to 5. Next digit is 1, 1 into 2 raised to 6. And the next digit is 1 into 2 raised to 7, since it is the 8th digit. Okay, so next we have to calculate the equation. So 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1 into 1, since 2 raised to 0 equal to 1 here. Next 0 into 2 raised to 1 equal to 0 into 2. So like that we have to calculate this equation. So 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, 2 raised to 3 equal to 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16, and 2 raised to 5 is 32, 2 raised to 6 is 64, and 2 raised to 7 is 128. You have already studied in mathematics the power system. So next we have to calculate the second equation. 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 2 0, 0 into 4 0, 1 into 8 8, 1 into 16 is 16, then 0 into 32 is 0, 1 into 64 is 64, and 1 into 128 is 128. Next we have to, in order to find the decimal corresponding, we have to add all these answers. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16 plus 0 plus 64 plus 128. The answer is 270. So the decimal equivalent of this binary number is 217. So students, that's all for the day. We have seen two types of conversions today. So please see the examples in the textbook also. If you have any doubts, please feel free to clarify to me. In the next class, we will see other 4 types of conversions also. So thank you. Have a pleasant day.